Okay, go.
Have you never seen
You have to go. It's on my sandal. Wait, roll on the ground.
No, because they stink like dead fish.
I know. You're on Nate. Here, hold them. I'm going to get in there with the video camera. Don't get smoking cigarettes on them.
Okay.
That's in my hair. Oh, I got attacked. Okay, we're going to do this. We're going to go touch the light. Ah, it's on my face. Get off.
Take your video camera over to the light.
They're getting in my eyes.
Saddle? My hat.
Just think of them as butterflies. Butterflies, they're just butterflies. It's in my hair. Get it off. Dustin, videotape me, hurry. Dustin, Jesus, oh God! Dustin, take the video camera.
Look at idiot Joe over here. We got them all covered on her. And people are looking at her like she's stupid. God dang, that's getting all over me, yeah.
Give me your hat.
Screw that.
Give me your hat. Give me your hat. Dustin, give me your hat. Just give me your hat.
Ah. Like you're all covered in them. Look at Jennifer Nicole. Hey, stop! You're gonna get my hat stained, yo.
I got. Come get a close up. Are they on my face?
They're all over you. They're in your hair, in your legs.
Here,
I think they bite, man.
Ah! Oh, something got me.
They keep getting on me and doing something. Wife, you're psychotic.
I'm Fly Lady. I break for butterflies.
I was thinking about getting you that bumper sticker.
Yeah,
Yeah, they keep biting me, though. Get off.